Grandma Lily's Secret Garden. A long time ago, in a small, peaceful town tucked between rolling green hills, there lived a sweet old woman named Grandma Lily. Every morning, just before the sun came up, she'd pour herself a warm cup of tea and head out to her backyard. There, she cared for her garden, a magical place filled with bright flowers, juicy fruits, and tiny birds that sang cheerful songs all day long. Kids from around the neighborhood loved stopping by. One morning, a curious little boy asked, "Grandma, how do your flowers look so amazing all the time?" Grandma Lily smiled kindly. "Because I talk to them every day." The kids giggled. "Flowers can't hear you." Grandma just gave a playful wink. One day, a new girl named Emma moved into town. She was quiet and kept to herself. She didn't laugh or play like the other kids. When Grandma Lily noticed her, she gently invited her over. "Would you like to help me water the garden?" she asked. Emma gave a small nod. From then on, Emma started visiting every morning. Grandma shared stories, showed her how to plant seeds, and taught her how to care for each little plant. One day, Grandma said, "Today you get to plant your very own flower." Emma carefully placed a tiny seed into the soil. Every day she watered it, whispered to it, and waited. But days went by, and nothing happened. Emma sighed, feeling discouraged. "Maybe I did it wrong." Grandma Lily smiled gently. "Good things take time, sweetheart, just like happiness." A few more days passed. Then one morning, there it was, a tiny green sprout pushing up through the dirt. Emma's face lit up with excitement. Weeks later, that little sprout grew into the most beautiful flower in the whole garden. Grandma Lily looked at her and said, "See, with love, patience, and care, anything can grow, even a happy heart." From that day on, Emma wasn't quiet and sad anymore. She laughed, made friends, and felt right at home. With love and patience, even the smallest things can grow into something beautiful. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.